Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmaland Chess. In today's videos about the fastest Benko Gambit knockout. White resigns in just 8 moves. Imagine starting a chess game and losing before you even get comfortable in your chair. Today, we're diving into one of the shortest and most brutal Benko Gambit traps ever played, where white resigns in just 8 moves. Let's see how this chess disaster happened. Move-by-move analysis. First move, white begins with d4, then black replies with knight f6. White opens with the queen's pawn, aiming for central control. Black responds with knight to f6, a flexible start preparing multiple Indian defenses. Second move, white plays c4, then black replies with c5. White supports the center, but black immediately strikes with c5. A sign we might be heading toward the Benko Gambit. Third move, white plays d5, then black replies with b5. And here it is. Black sacrifices a pawn to open lines on the queenside. This is the famous Benko Gambit, a dangerous weapon, especially if white isn't careful. Fourth move, white plays c takes b5, then black replies with a 6. White accepts the pawn, and black instantly attacks it with a 6, challenging white's pawn chain and opening attacking lanes. Fifth move, white plays knight c3, then black replies with a takes b5. Instead of defending, white develops the knight, but now black recaptures the pawn. The queenside is opening, and black's rook files are ready to activate. Sixth move, white plays knight takes b5, then black replies with bishop a6. White grabs another pawn, thinking they are winning material. But now comes boss 6, a killer move, targeting the knight on b5 and preparing to bring the queen into play with tempo. Seventh move, white plays e3, then black replies with bishop takes b5. White tries to develop and block diagonals, but black simply removes the knight with bxb5. The file is wide open, and danger is coming fast. Eighth move, white plays beautifully. Bishop takes b5, then black replies with queen a5 check. Boom, queen a5 check, a deadly check that also attacks the bishop on b5. White realizes they can't save both the king's safety and the piece, and they resign on the spot. Why resign so early? Because after ca5+, the king must move, and black will win back the bishop with a crushing position, plus open lines for a devastating attack. This wasn't just a trap, it was a speedrun to victory. And that's how Foldi crushed his opponent in just 8 moves in the Benko Gambit Zaitsev System. Have you ever fallen into a trap this quick? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic chess miniatures.